طالعوا المطار طالعوا شوفوا المطار.
The United Arab Emirates has been hit by floods. Sharjah has been hit by flash floods for the second day as drivers across the Emirates struggle with difficult road conditions. Large puddles of standing water formed on roads of Fujairah on Wednesday after similar scenes the day before. An enclave on east coast was hit by heavy rain during unsettled weather that affected much of the country. Kaaba, also in Sharjah and Fujairah, was also hit by heavy rain. The National Meteorological Center issued an alert shortly after 5 a.m. urging residents of the country's eastern regions to exercise caution in dangerous conditions. People are advised to stay away from flash flood areas and accumulated rain puddles. The Weather Center reported heavy rain in Sharjah, Fujairah, and Al Ain between 2 and 4 a.m. It rained again shortly after 6 a.m. in Sharjah and Al Khaimah. The video shows that the roads are heavily flooded after heavy rain. Residents caught in rainy weather, Emirati fireman Ashman Darvis from Kalba said all roads in the area were most affected by the weather. A few roads, mostly old ones, have been flooded, but the municipality is one side and I have seen them solve the problem by sewing pumps to reduce the amount of water, he said. One of the roads I drove near the clock tower was flooded from sidewalk to sidewalk. The rain is very heavy. It started yesterday and stopped for only 5 or 10 minutes and then resumed. Khalid Saim, who lives in Khorfakkan, says the water flooded the streets and pavement before reaching the fitness centers where he works. Some of the cars were also flooded with water, not just the floor. He says that most of the shops on the same street face the same problem, which occurs regularly during heavy rains. The same raw story was in Fujairah. Khalid Saim from the Merba districts in the Emirates said some roads in poor conditions quickly flooded. They are full of cracks and holes and that are now filled with rainwater, he said. At drone it was very hard, but now it's moderate, but it hasn't stopped. Fatima Al-Shuja, head of media of Diba Fujairah municipality, said no reports of houses flooding, but authorities remain vigilant. Fujairah police urged drivers to stay away from flooded areas and keep a safe distance from other vehicles in rainy weather. Unstable weather in the UAE and Oman is expected to continue over the next few days, with fog and rain expected in some areas.